Next, I would like to give a little bit more overview about the theory portion of the class. We start with an introduction. We tell you a little bit about digital data and the cloud backdrop for big data in this particular class. We will be introducing you to some real-world big data problems, and we will be giving you some basic trends and jobs information. Next, we will be looking into data access patterns. We introduce you to the typical data interaction scenarios that we find important. We then will be going into data access patterns as derived from science examples. And then we will be introducing you to the remaining general access patterns. And we will be using our HPC ABDS stack and summarize the different layers. As for the big data application structures, we will be illustrating this as part of our NIST big data use cases that we find important and introduce you to the features. And this will be a major portion of the class as we are actually interacting with NIST on these activities. And instead of you just learning something out of a article and other things, you can actively contribute to this activity if you so choose, and we would like you to participate in these activities. We will be talking about sources of parallelism. We will be talking about streaming big data and some additional features, as well as how machine learning fits into this set of software stacks. Aspects of big data applications will be discussed. This includes some use cases, as well as the use of NoSQL data bases, and how do you implement big data applications. We will be introducing you to clouds and HPC systems. That's also a major part of that class. Instead of just giving you a theoretical introduction, we'll give you a very intense possibility of using these systems. And in contrast to other classes, we will be able to give you access to 3 different clouds so that you can use them in conjunction. We will then go a little bit back and look furthermore at our NIST use cases. We look at some image-based applications to introduce you to how to create, for example, software stacks and what the general structure about them are. We look at Internet of Things, and then we introduce you to an additional classification that we termed ogres. The theory will discuss the 21 layers, as you may have already noticed. And this is about 380 software systems. These are just way too many for us to go into detail in every one of them. So we will be selecting some of them. And you will be able to explore them as part of your homework assignment. So we have about 20 lessons in the theory part. To showcase you the 21 layers, we have here introduced them on this particular slide, and you may want to inspect them, and we go into the class in more detail in each one of these layers.